You are noticing your fuel needle dropping faster than usual and maybe seeing some weird black smoke from the tailpipe. And then you pull a P2626 code, which points directly to your upstream oxygen sensor on bank 1. This is not just a simple on or off switch. We are talking about the O2 sensor pumping current trim circuit being open. Your car uses this sensor like a high-tech nose to smell the exhaust and figure out if the engine is running too rich with too much fuel or too lean with too much air. When this circuit opens up, the PCM loses its ability to fine-tune that mixture, and your performance just goes down the drain. You'll find this sensor sitting right before the catalytic converter, and it is the first line of defense for your engine efficiency and health. Since this code is rated as moderate but can get worse quickly, you want to jump on it before you end up fouling your spark plugs or clogging your expensive converter. The first thing you should do is get under there and look at the wiring for any signs of rubbing or burn spots from the hot exhaust pipe, because these wires live in a very harsh environment and often get brittle. Check the connector for any green corrosion or bent pins that might be breaking the connection. When your engine is running perfectly balanced at 14.7 to 1, you would normally see around 0.45 volts, but if things are swinging to 0.9 volts or dropping to 0.1, the sensor is working overtime to tell you something is wrong. If you find no power or ground, get your multimeter out and check for continuity, looking for 0 ohms of resistance. If you see high resistance or no continuity at all, you have found a break in the wire that needs fixing. Sometimes it is just a simple blown fuse or a vacuum leak causing the sensor to go out of range. So do not just assume the sensor is dead right away. Take your time to clean the connectors and check for exhaust leaks, because even a tiny hole in the pipe before the sensor can let outside air in and trick the computer into thinking the engine is lean when it actually is not. It's a bit of a detective job, but checking the simple wiring issues first will save you from buying a sensor you might not even need.